Hello! Oh boy! Today is the day that the iPad Pro was released. I'm actually in New York right now. I have no idea what this video looks like because I forgot my little monitor, so the only way that I can kind of see you guys is there's a mirror, but so I have to go like this to see in the mirror to see you. It's really quite silly, but I wasn't home to be able to get my iPad that I ordered, and it's great that I wasn't home because I actually forgot to pre-order. I ordered an engraved pen, I ordered the folio pad, I ordered a case, I ordered everything except the iPad because what I thought I had done is order the iPad first, but then I got sidetracked by engraving my pen and tweeting and a lot of different things. But I'm here, I'm in New York, and I got a chance to see the temporary Fifth Avenue Apple store, and I feel like that Fifth Avenue store has been under construction for a really long time. So anyway, I went in today, got some goodies, pretty hyped about it. Can I even see myself? Is this overexposed? Who knows? I'm actually in New York to go on Good Morning America. Be sure to look for me on the show if you watch, or if your mom watches, or if you have family that watches. Tell them that you know me. Tell them that we're friends. If you need me to send a tweet to say that we're friends to confirm it, tweet me. I will do that for you. Pencil. What did I call it? Did I call it a pen earlier? I'm not sure. I'm delirious. I honestly don't know when the last time was I slept. I think the last time I slept was when I went to PAX. That was a long time ago. iPad Pro. There's more keyboard folio. We've also got some dongles because something that's pretty exciting about the new iPad Pro is it does feature USB-C. So with USB-C, you can do so many more things than you could previously with Lightning. So you can actually use your iPad Pro to charge your iPhone. I need to take my shoes off. I gotta get comfy. This is a real chill unboxing, and I hope that you enjoy it. I hope I'm even recording. I don't even know. Since this does feature USB-C, you can also use an external monitor. I probably should not have returned mine and just kept it because there's times like these. Times like these, you learn to love again. Oh man, I love the Foo Fighters. Where was I? We're gonna unbox now, I promise you. If you can make it to the end of this video, congratulations. I mentioned this in my iPad Air video, but just in case you missed that video, be sure to go check it out. Jonathan and I are doing another giveaway of either an iPad Pro or a MacBook Air, whichever one you guys want, in addition to our iPhone XR giveaway. So we're gonna be announcing those winners at the same time. So if you wanna go check it out, check out Jonathan's channel, check out my channel, subscribe to both, like our videos, and we'll be choosing the winners very, very shortly. Here's the problem with traveling. I don't have a knife. I didn't check a bag, so I couldn't travel with a knife. So this is a knifeless unboxing. I hope that you understand. I hope that this is even in focus. This could very well be in manual focus for all I know. This could be the worst thing that I've ever done. We all know that's not true. So I've posted a lot of crap on the internet. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do so because I'm working on a really fun iPad Pro video. This is just the unboxing, but I really want to test out the capabilities for actual artists and creators because I don't really use this for illustration, but I have a friend who does. So he is going to be creating a really cool illustration for you and showing you guys how a real creative artist actually uses an iPad, other than me, who watches Netflix and workout videos and spills Doritos all over it. This thing looks so good. I saw it at the Apple store, and it's always so cool going to Apple stores because sometimes a lot of you guys, you don't really know what to say when you see me there, or you don't think it's actually me, so then you ask questions like, hey, so do you make YouTube videos? And I'm like, yes, I am. Give me a freaking hug. Get a good look at this. You look great. So this is the 1 terabyte version, which is absolutely absurd. What am I gonna do with a 1 terabyte iPad? I'm asking myself the same question. It smells like a vanilla spice latte with a hint of cinnamon. Wow, are you delicious? So there's the camera. And if you're completely new here and haven't seen any videos about the iPad Pro yet, this is the 12.9-inch model. This is the 1 terabyte version. They also have one with cellular and Wi-Fi. I usually end up just doing things off of Wi-Fi or tethering with my phone. So this is the Wi-Fi model. 1 terabyte of delicious, delicious storage. This features the new A12X Bionic chip. There's no home button, so it now does feature Face ID. So this really is kind of just like a really massive iPhone, and the screen looks so good. Quick start. So I have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby. All right, set me up, baby. The new Apple Pencil now features gesture control, so if you are an illustrator or somebody who does those kinds of things, I think this will be super helpful because you can switch through brush strokes and different things, and you don't actually have to go into menu settings or anything. You just double tap. Okay, let's set this up to the hotel that I'm in. This hotel is incredible, by the way. The lighting's not ideal for shooting, but everything else is amazing. Give me my complimentary Wi-Fi, please. So it's saying that it may take a few moments to activate my iPad. Don't worry, I have all the moments that you need, so take your time. I don't actually have that many moments because I'm hungry and I wanna go get dinner, so don't take too much time. Face ID, I'm setting up Face ID on this massive tablet. Oh my, this is so huge. I can't even imagine what people next door might think that is happening in here. I'm just unboxing an iPad. If somebody can hear me, don't be concerned. Okay, you set up my Apple ID. I'm gonna show them something else, so I'm talking to my iPad like it's a person. Are you surprised? What else do we have in the box? We've got, wowee. So I was trying to act surprised, but I'm not really good at faking my emotions. These stickers, I actually saw Jonathan unbox and he made note of how massive these stickers are. They are much larger, I feel like, than the previous versions. I don't have any with me to compare. So we've also got a USB-C cable and, oh, look at this. This looks like all of the charging bricks that come with all of the Google accessories. But this is an all-new charging brick. I've never seen one of these from Apple before. It's so dark in here, or I'm old, but I can't read the voltage on it, so check me into the retirement home. How am I supposed to comfortably show you this? This is so ridiculous. And I'm loving every freaking second of it. Brightness is turned up, so I guess I don't know what to do now. I should probably download Procreate. Let's see what else we have. So this is their new keyboard. This is something that I would need my knife for, but I don't have one. Do you know how many knives I've had taken away from me at TSA? Probably like 14. I even had my tactical knives taken. Like, come on, like, let me take that through. I'm not gonna do anything. So I ended up getting the space gray one. Everyone was joking. They're like, well, just, you know, how are you going to survive without not having a gold iPad? I don't know how I'm gonna survive, but I think I'll be okay. Look at you. Fancy, hello. Anything else in here? So it has a little magnetic little docking station here, so that's how it actually stays put. And then it has two different settings here. So there's one if it's on your desk, and here's two. Oh, that is really in there. That's good, that's nice. And this second little setting if it's on your lap. Well, I think I'm way more into this iPad than I thought I was gonna be. Oh God, now I'm like hyped for my flight back. I'm just gonna be sitting there and be like, can somebody please talk to me about my new iPad? Does anyone wanna talk about it? Cause it's here, can we chat? Do you wanna be my friend? Here's a little test. Can you see? Hello, I am typing. This feels nice. Oh wow, I like it. It's a nice feel. Yeah, I'm into that. That's a nice type. It's a very nice type. Gosh, maybe I'll respond to my emails now. So now onto the pencil. This is the Apple Pencil 2. This features gesture control and you can now magnetically attach it to your iPad. I don't know if you guys remember, well, if you have an iPad and you have an Apple Pencil and you charge it, there is no way that you'll ever forget how you had to freaking charge that thing. Like you would just jam it into the lightning cable at the bottom and then you'd have this pencil sticking out of your iPad. It looked absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what they were thinking. I honestly am not sure. For whatever reason, it still worked and the Apple Pencil is incredible and I think it's such a cool device. New Apple Pencil, we've got some paperwork. Wouldn't that be great if they had little mini stickers in here? That would be a surprise. I would be shocked. I also got one of these and I got my name engraved in it. I don't know why. It said, do you want the free engraving? And I said, yes. Here we go. Oh, there's still something on this. Okay. Now, witness my friends. Oh wow, that was great. Look what it's doing. Look, it's doing something. Apple Pencil, connect. Yes, I want to connect it. No way. I'm actually left-handed, so whatever. So I am an artist. As you can see, this is what I like to call mistakes were made. So if you like, prints will be available. I'll put a link in the description. I'm just kidding. I'm not actually. Actually, I probably should print this out because it is the best thing I've ever seen. Mistakes were made. You probably can't see it. I can't even see it. Is this video even recording? I don't know. We'll put that there. God, this pencil, this iPad's really beautiful. So this is a USB-C to SD card reader. So because this is USB-C, you now can use USB-C dongles. So accessories like this. And I'm also excited about this. Why did it take Apple so long to make a USB-C SD card reader? I don't know, but it doesn't matter. They have one now. So you can use this to transfer footage to your iPad Pro. This is one of the Thunderbolt 3 USB-C cables, so this will be able to transfer data much quicker. And then what is this one? This is the USB-C digital AV multi-port adapter. So this will allow you to have an additional USB-C port, an HDMI, and just a regular USB port. So this is actually quite nice, and I'm kind of excited because I can use these with my MacBook Pro, because I will never say no to the USB-C dongle. Look at this. I freaking love technology. I love the future. Where we are right now is such an incredible time because I feel like we are on the verge of so many incredible things in the next, I mean, I was gonna say the next 5 to 10 years, but even in the next year, car tech, AR, VR, so many amazing things. If you guys stay subscribed to my channel, you may get to see some of it. Oh, I also went to the Lego store today. I bought myself a New York luggage tag, just this Lego New York body, because I didn't really need anything else. I just thought I'd bring this back home to put on my Lego minifigures. Don't ask. So now with Face ID on the brand new iPad, on the iPhone, that just leaves the MacBook and the iMacs to also start integrating Face ID. So that's gonna be pretty cool. It's kind of interesting that they haven't really done that already. I mean, it's not that shocking because it probably would increase the price of those machines as is. I'm so excited to shoot my more in-depth video with this. It's gonna be really cool, and I'm so excited to share with you from someone else's perspective on what it's like to use an iPad. And also I wanna do some AR demos. So there's so many other things that I would love to do with this. So if you guys have any other suggestions on things that you might like to see, leave those in the comments below, and I will see you very, 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 very soon. Probably like in a few days because I have to shoot and edit the video. But if you happen to be watching Good Morning America tomorrow, I'll see you there. Bye.